We up there in my bathroom. Yeah, I look rough. I'm gonna get a haircut soon, but been busy, bro. Hey, man, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys, bro. I'm gonna get there, bro. I see these Lambos, Huracans, McLarens, bro. We all gonna get it, bro. This little motivation segment for y'all. No matter what, bro, just try to stay consistent. We all gonna make it, bro. As long as you put it in your head, you're gonna do it, that you're gonna ask that girl, that you're gonna get that job. Even if you fail, bro, we gonna get it, bro. But sight now, let me take a shower, and we gonna go ahead and head out to CarMax. I don't know, I'm just bored right now. We gonna see what they got, bro. I'm still trying to get content out, no matter what, bro. Every day is not the most exciting thing, bro, but you gotta push yourselves, bro. I'm gonna see you after the shower. All right, y'all, I got that first shower going there. I'm feeling better, but sheesh, I need a clean, bro. Look at my wheels, man. Oh, do I need new tires yet? I don't know. I need to get the coin to do the little check thing. But let's start her up real quick, though. She been sitting for a little bit, so let's see how she sounds. Okay. Dirty smoky. Let's go ahead. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy because I think it's supposed to be raining soon, like tomorrow, something like that. So then, all I'm gonna do for right now is just go rinse her off or whatever. And let's go. Alright, we in that Artizzle, the Dodge Artizzle. Niggas don't know for real. It's a mini Hellcat. Nah, I'm playing. Let me quit playing. But yeah, man. Like always, I get gas. But it is what it is. We gon' put it down to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let the Artizzle, let the Artizzle talk, baby. I'm weird, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm just talking my talk. Cause we in the Artizzle. Bro, you know what I've been wanting for like the longest time, bro? Stars in the mother roof, man. I don't know what y'all think, bro. I'm yelling and shit. But I'm gonna do the stars myself, and I want to give it a little, you know, my own little touch. So for the people that have been following me, you know that I call my car Smokey because it smoke shows. You can see the color on the hood thing. It's smoke show. So should I put the name Smokey at the top, or should I do King? Because you know my name's King, PricelessDaKing. I don't know, and try to maybe do like a little crown. Nah, I ain't gonna do the crown. That's right. That's gonna be too much work. So either King, have it spell out King, or Smokey. I think Smokey because that's the, you know, that's the car. It's the name of the car or whatever. But I guess if y'all want to put y'all opinions down in the comments or whatever, yeah, you know, let me know. Boy, is this about to turn into a POV? While a nigga need gas, see? But we gonna get it when we need to get it. You know what I'm saying? Baby track hawk. No, I'm just kidding. That's probably like the limited X type shit. But whatever. Bro, it's a nice day outside. I mean, it is 36 degrees outside, but it's nice and sunny. So I don't know. We might see some cars out and whatever. But bro, I cannot wait for it to get warmer outside so I can get stuff done to my car, bro. Like for me, like when I actually get around to it. But like the stars, I'm gonna have to be outside for some time. But I hear something. I don't know where it's at though. Like the stars, it's gonna take some time because I need to take all this off, you know, pop all this off. You know what I'm saying? Y'all understand. But what is that, bro? It look like an aftermarket wing on that thing. But yeah, it's gonna take some time, so it's just like I ain't trying to be here outside. 300S. I ain't trying to be outside in the cold for that, so I'm waiting for that for when it gets hotter. Little Hemi thing, RT, I think. I don't know what that badge was on the back. That little square. I don't know. It looked like RT. I think it said Hemi. But yeah, I'm on my way to go get some change for the little self car wash, man. I couldn't even think. My mind was blanking out. So I guess I'm gonna hit y'all in a quick second. Whoop. All right, y'all, it's a little self-serve wash. Ooh, smoky dirty. We're gonna clean her up real quick. Put these little quarters in. Oh, I dropped one, damn. All right, y'all, hold on. I could not do that with one hand. But yeah, hit with this spot-free rinse real quick, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Being lazy at its finest. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Being lazy at its finest. Just clean her up a little bit, even though I know it's gonna rain in like a day or two. You know, a little cleanup ain't gonna hurt, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so we went ahead and rinsed Smokey off. Nothing crazy, just something slight, just to make it look a little cleaner. Now, fire truck. Come on, fire truck. But yeah, make it a little bit cleaner instead of looking dusty, because it's gonna rain like a day. Probably tomorrow night or some shit, so I ain't trying to waste my money just fully washing her and everything, spending $10. Whatever. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do just for now. All right, y'all, let's head over to the car, man, bro. Y'all not gonna believe, because right there, bro, I don't know if y'all know, that's the Hamilton collection. And he got his Pagani outside. Oh, there go a Charger. Go 392. Bro, he got his Pagani out here, bro. Hold on. Yo, that joint hard. There's a truck coming, but that joint hard, bro. Bro, I live not down the street, but I don't live far from this big user, bro. He got Ari outside. He had his Pagani. I think that was the Wyra. They was taking photos, bro. I got a whole big ass rich YouTuber, like not even 10 minutes away from me, y'all. That's crazy to me. Let's catch up to this Charger though. Yo, let's catch up to this Charger. I'll go to CarMax, but I want to play with this Charger though. It was the Scatty. You know, that's the big brother. But shit, I'm gonna still fuck with him. Let me see if he on something. Let's see, bro. Bro, like dead ass. I want that wing, bro. Bro, let me wipe the camera off. I don't know if it's looking a little funny. Damn, bro. Is this what I look like except slower? This is what I look like except slower, bro? No. Yeah, bro. But I might cut this out, bro, because we gonna be stuck at this light. And see if this person gonna play though, for real. It is a dude, so he might play. I'm not saying that females don't play type shit, but we gonna see. Once we make this right. Alright, let's see. Is he gonna play? We gonna see if he gonna play. We gonna see if he gonna play. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Oh, it's a girl. I don't know if she's gonna do anything. She ain't gonna play, bro. And that's dead ass her car? She got it. She got it. Damn, bro. I was hoping she would play with me. Come on, man. Damn, bro. CarMax is back of there. She didn't play, bro. She ain't even behind me, bro. I don't know do but like that. Gotta turn sports mode off, because sports mode ain't gonna help me. I said, gotta turn sports mode off, sports mode ain't gonna help me. Anyway, I'm still slow. What am I gonna do, y'all? What am I gonna do? We just gonna boss up on these niggas and get a cat or something. I don't know. Hopefully. I know that nigga would have played with me, bro. Sound like a V8 300. Dang, bro. So now I gotta go all this way and make a U-turn. But that was a dope ass. I saw the Wyra outside today. Correct me, y'all, if I'm wrong. It's Pagani Wyra, right? If y'all saw it. But yeah. All right, y'all. We have made it to our destination. That CarMax thing. Yeah. See what they got, because I'm on some bullshit. Probably gonna go pee first, but y'all boys ain't gonna see that. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get inside. Well, it's technically outside over there. But when we get to where the cars is at. All right. Y'all, oh, that shit got the peanut butter interior. All right, y'all, so we done made it in here. I don't know, they lots looking a little scarce, but oh, we got an M4 right here. How much they want for this? 41? That's 41,000. Oh, it's open. It is stick too. Yo, it smells weird in here. Y'all, do I fit into an M4? Hold on, let me zoom it out a little bit. Oh man, can't do nothing. Just stick, you know what I'm saying? I know a little, you know what I'm saying? But I think this thing might be dead or something. Low key. How I look in the M4, yo? Yo, this ain't too bad. Bro, yeah, I need to put my seat all the way back, but yo, this feels like cool in a little coupe. I've been in a coupe, but it was like, you know, Honda type. No, she ain't got the 3 pedals down now. She ain't how I look. Shifting gears now. I'm like, okay, that's reverse. So the suspension right there. Now this is a caddy I would buy. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. This joint low key heavy. How much they want for this joint though? Oh Lord, here comes a man out here. Joint a little low key heavy. It's the 4-cylinder, 38,998.
What are you looking for?
Come on, man, leave me alone. Like, bro, that's the only thing I hate about CarMax, though. They always be trying to. I'm like, hey, buddy, you need help, buddy? How you doing, buddy? I'm like, yeah, bro. This Cadillac, decent though. And it's just like, look, buddy, let me just go out here and just have my fun, bro. I mean, yes, sir, this caddy. Oh. I miss my Honda. Bro, I remember I had them lights, but those sequential aftermarket. Bro, one day. A lot of scratches in their joint, but one day. I need another one, bro. They got the mirror. Oh, that's an SS. 38K. 47,000 on them. Oh, bro, there's a whole bird on there. Oh, my finger in the way. There's a whole bird on them there. What the hell? That's that SS thing, bro. Birdie. Bro, scratching up the car. Well, I like the updated taillights. The updated taillights is hard to like no lie. You see, is it open? Ah, no, they got the SS lock, bro. Well, yeah. The SS is hard to like lie. Yes, sir. Oh my God, y'all. This. It's the Grand Sports, not the Z06. I ain't really with the drop top like that. But this right here, oh my God. And it's in red, bro. This right here is so heavy, bro. Bro, look at this, bro. This vehicle's not for sale. But it's so hard, except for the drop top. Oh my God, please be open. It's open. Oh my God, can I fit in this? Oh my God, you have to fall in here, bro. Oh my God, Grand Sport, nigga, I'd still take it. Oh my God, there's no room for me. This is just, oh my God, I want a C6. Maybe it's because it's convertible, bro. I want a C6 so bad, bro. No, I can make it work, yeah. Nah, it works for me, bro. This is, look at that, bro. That shit hard as hell, bro. It's because it's drop top. I ain't want no drop top. But this shit is heavy. Oh my God, y'all. I need one. This actually has more space than I thought. Like, what is this, bro? Trash control off right here. How you open it, bro? Bro, what is the point of this, bro? Might as well not have one. Bro, this joint is so hard, bro. Like, bruh, if it wasn't drop top, this should be so hard. It is hard, but all the seat is moving me. It has easy exit seats. Oh my God. Bro, look at how low it is to the ground, bro. Now look at my hand. It's like a hand's from the ground. This shit is so hard. Oh my God. It's so low.